What's up, YouTube? This is Atticus from The Complete Trade, and today we're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin. So, starting off with Giga Chad over here, Mr. Michael Saylor, who just made his second biggest Bitcoin purchase ever for his company MicroStrategy. Saylor purchased $593 million worth of Bitcoin at an average price of $36,785. Saylor has it pretty good right now. Since he's no longer CEO of MicroStrategy, he just spends his time tweeting about Bitcoin and going on podcasts comparing Bitcoin to Manhattan real estate and Venezuelan chicken egg farms. Okay, let's jump into the charts. Okay, so with Bitcoin approaching $40,000, we'll start things off by taking a look at the longer term picture for Bitcoin. I believe I showed you guys this pitchfork back in episode 1 or 5. I do remember saying that the next significant top for Bitcoin was probably going to happen the next time Bitcoin tags the light blue median line of the pitchfork, because as you can see, the light blue line was resistance back in 2013, support in 2018, resistance in 2019, support in 2021, and support in 2022. So the next time that Bitcoin tags the light blue median line of the pitchfork, it's probably going to serve as resistance. Should Bitcoin tag the light blue median line of the pitchfork in 2024, the price of Bitcoin will most likely be between $80,000 and $100,000. Should Bitcoin tag the light blue median line of the pitchfork in 2025, the price of Bitcoin will most likely be between $150,000 and $175,000. Taking a look at the longer-term Elliott wave count, just a quick refresher. Our wave 2 in cycle degree happened in March of 2020, bottoming at the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement. Our wave 3 in cycle degree happened during the bull market in 2021, topping out at the 1.618 to 1.786 trend-based Fib extension, which is a common target for a wave 3. Our wave 4 retracement in cycle degree happened last year in the bear market of 2022, bottoming out at the 50% Fibonacci retracement and the 1.618 trend-based Fib extension. Now, we have two methods to calculate our wave 5 in cycle degree. The first method is by taking a 1.618 Fibonacci retracement of wave 4, which lands Bitcoin at $173,000. The second method is by taking a 0.618 to 0.786 trend-based Fib extension, which lands Bitcoin anywhere between $104,000 and $175,000. Basically, this white shaded region is our bull market top projections for Bitcoin. Okay, so moving into the short term, last video we talked about how we were looking for higher highs on Bitcoin, and that has happened. We expected to see a bare minimum of $38,900 on the Bitcoin chart on the left, and we expected to see one more high on the Bitcoin against S&P 500 valuation on the chart on the right. Like I said, both have happened, so what's next? The next key levels to look out for in the short term are the $40,000 level, which is the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement of wave 4, and the $42,000 level, which is the January 2021 top. Once we can confirm that a correction is coming, we'll let you guys know. So moving into some indicators, last week we talked about the significance of the weekly money flow indicator flipping from red to green. This week, I want to draw your attention to the daily money flow. This indicator is pretty self-explanatory. If money flow is in the green, money is coming into an asset and vice versa. So a lot of people are still calling this a bear market rally and that no money is coming into crypto. The daily money flow indicator is printing a money flow reading at 52. The last time the daily money flow indicator printed a money flow reading at 52 was, oh my God, it was back in 2021. And guess what? We were in a bull market in 2021. Shifting gears into the S&P 500, I can only repeat what we've been saying so far. The S&P 500 has reclaimed our broken demand trend line. We also have a 3 bullish soldiers pattern on the weekly time frame, which has sent the S&P 500 higher. The S&P 500 continues to climb the wall of worry despite the majority of investors calling for the greater Great Depression. If you're looking for bearish analysis, this channel ain't it. Our all-time high targets that span between 4,800 and 5,100 remain unchanged. Closing things off with some regression, just a quick overview of this indicator. The red region represents Bitcoin's overvaluation, the green region represents Bitcoin's undervaluation, and the blue line represents Bitcoin's fair value. The concept of this indicator is quite simple. You buy in the green and you sell in the red. As stated before, the real fun in the cryptocurrency markets begin when Bitcoin can blast past the blue fair value line, which is at $35,755.32 this week. So if you're well positioned in crypto, just relax and enjoy the ride. We still have quite a long way to go before we enter the overvalued region of the regression bands, which currently span between 62 grand and 120 grand. And finally, I thought I'd update you guys on the top 5 institutions who own Bitcoin. MicroStrategy comes in at number 1, holding 174,375 Bitcoin. Marathon Digital Holdings comes in at number 2, holding 13,286 Bitcoin. Galaxy Digital Holdings comes in at number 3, holding 12,545 Bitcoin. Tesla comes in at number 4, holding 10,500 Bitcoin. And wrapping up the top 5, Coinbase holds 9,182 Bitcoin. So these companies aren't holding Bitcoin because they believe it's going to 1K, and I'll leave it at that. So that's my analysis on Bitcoin for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.